Dear sisters and brothers in Christ, I would like to extend my encouragement and support to your efforts for demilitarization, denuclearization, for a nuclear-free world. In 2013, the World Council of Churches 10th Assembly in Busan in South Korea invited Christians and people of goodwill everywhere to join on a pilgrimage of justice and peace, to walk together in a common quest in celebrating life and in concrete steps towards transforming injustice and violence. In this common journey, the World Council of Churches affirms its commitment to advance the campaign for the abolition and the elimination of nuclear weapons, and to encouraging and supporting churches across the world in their work for sustainable peace and justice in a world without nuclear weapons. I recall with joy that more than 800 participants in the WCC Busan Assembly joined in this pilgrimage of justice and peace, traveling to Mount Dora, to Imjinggak, and expressing solidarity with the people of Korea and endorsing the worldwide call for this reunification of Korea. They saw themselves that they were called to be a sign of the fulfillment of God's promise. And since then, the World Council of Churches, we have renewed and we have strengthened our support for and the commitment to increased ecumenical efforts for peace, for reconciliation, and for the reunification of the divided Korean people. The mission you are gathered together to pursue is truly as faithful witnesses to Christ. As we read in the letter of Paul to the Ephesians, chapter 2, for he is our peace. In his flesh he has made both groups into one and has broken down the dividing wall, that is, the hostility between us. This expression of Christian solidarity and love for each other is the sign of shared Christian discipleship. And it is a true witness to the wider world of the possibility, even the inevitability, of peace, of reconciliation and unity. So, as a Christian fellowship, the World Council of Churches will continue to stand with our sisters and brothers in Korea and to invite all Christians everywhere to pray for the Korean Peninsula and that God's will for justice and peace be done. I'm sure that this gathering of prayer pilgrimage for life and peace will make an important contribution of greater understanding of what Christian vocation today is. I wish for you enriching time as you discuss and reflect and explore our common spiritual sources.